from Sprite.com, and today we're making Sprite Bread. This goes really well with our spinach dip, which will be my next video. The recipe says to make it into a ball, then you scoop out tomato and put the dip inside. Well, we like to just bake bread and cut it into pieces. You can do it either way. The recipe will be in the description of the video below. So, let's get started. This is super easy. You only need 3 ingredients. So, we have 3 cups of self-rising flour, 1 12-ounce can of Sprite, and 1 cup of sugar. All you do is mix them together in the bowl, like so. Then pour them into the greased bread pan and bake at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes until the bread is nice and brown. Let's get this in the oven and then come back to see how it tastes. Now we'll be tasting this Sprite bread. Tasty. Have a nice day. Oh, remember to like and subscribe if you need to. Bye.